Hi there, this is Chris Callett with MusicGrid.com, and we're going to take a look at the Smoke Glass Photo Gallery. Now it comes with three different versions, the desktop, tablet and phone, and they have all been built to work with those device types. So if we went to this blank site here and we add a tablet version of the site and we add a phone version of the site, so we have all three device types. What we'll do then is we'll go into each page and we'll add these items. So I'm going to drag this item onto the desktop page here. Let's switch on our guides. So we can see here that we can pop that on there. Okay. Then we'll go to our tablet view. And of course in there we'll drag the tablet version onto the page. Drag that in place. And then finally the phone. Let's open that page up and let's drag the phone version onto the page. So there we have the three different device types. Now we want to update, we want to work with these images, we want to update them to have our own images. So how do we do that? Well, if you click into the slideshow here and then we click onto these individual images, we can select all three and let's remove those. So now we're just left with a blank area. So we're going to add some new images. So we're going to click on the little icon here, open up the folder, and then on our desktop we have some assets here, and we're going to add these three new images. So there we have it. We have those all updated and we have our new slide. So we also want to update the text. Now the text here has two different styles to it. So the top style is the kind of title, and then this sub area here we're going to go into our text and we're going to choose, let's choose a ASAP, and let's choose, take that down to 24. So we would need to just modify that in each of those images. We could change it, save it out as a style instead, so let's do that. Let's select that and let's create that style and call it text small, for example. And let's go through now and let's select our text and we'll do text small and select this text and text small. So there we go. So we have our widget all updated there to how we want it to look. And now let's change the color. So if we select this color here, we can see that, let's go to our swatches, that it's using this base color B here. So if we right click on there, go to swatch options, let's choose, let's say for instance, let's choose a color from the image itself. So let's choose there, that goldy color there, and that now updates. And you can see that the highlights have also updated on the site. So now we have our slider ready to go, and we can make those changes throughout the site by just clicking on the images and going through the same process. Or we can modify those images within the assets panel. So for instance, if we wanted to change this image here, it's an embedded link, let's relink this image, let's link that to that dog one, for example, and we can see that that's now been updated, and that's also been updated in the phone version. So let's relink this, all instances of this, let's change it to that dog image, and you can see that that's been updated, and this one here, and relink to this one here, and that's now been updated. So that works fine if you just want the same number of images in the gallery as we've already placed. However, if you want to add more images, obviously you need to use the options here. So it's a very easy to use tool. We have the three of them in there for each device type, and we hope you enjoy using them. Thanks for watching.